Guys, I'm gonna show you how to patch a hole in the wall, in the drywall. So I know I've already gone ahead of done that, but basically what I did is I have a small wood that I've bolted in right here, and I'm gonna bolt another one right here, and then I already pre-measured a piece that goes in here, and that's where I cut it from this giant piece, and it's ready for me already. You probably just need this, or actually not even that, you're gonna need this, because this is very easy to cut through. So use this to cut it through, and I'm just have some nails here to use. So, and then also you're gonna need a drill to use to drill to drive it in. So let me show you how it goes, and then I have other materials that I'm gonna use to finish, to glue. Let me show you where they are. I'm gonna use this one for my drywall repair, and I also have something else to add on top of it. That's this wire mesh. This wire mesh for patching. This is usually for patching little stuff, but I want to make it. I'm gonna still use this one as well. I used to have this, but this is gonna be old and dry. I'm gonna need this to sand, to smoothen, and this one to scoop the putty from here and apply it. This is only if I need to finish, but since my wall has no finish, it's basically not usable right now, so there's no need for the texture. But basically I need to, eventually the reason why I'm doing this is because we're gonna be painting this wall, this entire wall in here. So I'll probably show you after work, but basically that's what I have here. But yeah, so the reason why this hole came about is because this is the solar panel was being installed, and they had to, I don't know why they really needed to create this big hole here, and I'm just worried about some little stuffs coming in, or making a home there, so I want to close that hole. So yeah, yeah, I'll show you the aftermath. So now I have bolted them two. There's a bolt here, and then there's another one here. So now this is firm enough to push in this. I already pre-measured everything, so I just need to push this in like that, and actually that should be enough. But guess what, I'm going to drive in one screw in here just to make it firm, and that's enough. And then once I finish doing that, I'm going to, I'm gonna apply some putty to go inside the joints, and then I'm going to use this to mount it on top. So this putty is pink, but once I apply, it's gonna change to white. Guys, as I said, now I've screwed in the other nut, so it's really good, firm. The only thing I want to do here is just to apply the putty, and I'm done. And basically I want to make use of this, probably, as I had said earlier. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, this is how it turned out now. It doesn't look very clean, but basically I'm gonna make it dry. When it dries, it's gonna change color to white. Right now it's pink, so you can see the edges are already turning white because they're drying up. Once it dries up completely, I'm coming back with my sander. I'm going to sand it clean so that it kind of looks like this. And as I told you guys, this is I'm preparing this just because I know I'm gonna have someone coming to paint. I would have done it myself, but because this is a very big garage, I don't want to take too long painting, so I just have someone do that for me. I'll be painting all of these walls. It's a lot of space actually, so, and above, so putting all those things together will have taken me a lot of time to paint all this area, and above I will have needed a spraying gun, but since I also want people to get money, why not have them do the painting part of it? And by the way, I'll show you the aftermath of painting this. You guys will see how it looks clean and nice. And another plan that I'm gonna have for this floor is I'm going to have somebody install epoxy. So right now you can see the walls look so bad, so they're gonna look very nice, and you guys, I'll show you how it looks thereafter. All right, thank you so much. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, and keep watching and share. Thank you so much. Bye. So guys, as you can see, this area is drying up. So when it dries up, basically turns from pink to white. And as you can see here, it's all over, it's turned from pink to white. And the only thing I need to do here is to use my sand to try to sand the outside to just make it more even. And smooth. This helps especially when I am going to do the painting. So that's basically what it's supposed to do. And any excess that I had will be gone. Very smooth now, very smooth. Perfect. Nice. So this is how it looks like right now. After waiting for some time, it has dried completely.